Hello, welcome to this video. Today we're looking at Microsoft Forms and a new feature. So if we jump on to, firstly go to forms.office.com and then we'll click a new form. And then if we go to choice questions, there's now the option to add images. So what we can do is we can click here. Before we had the ability to add an image just at the top along with a question, but now we can add images for responses. So if we click add image, we can then either upload one from our OneDrive, from our device, or do an image search. I'm going to search, let's search, okay, let's pick one of those. We can salute and then click add, and that's going to add our image in there. We can add some text as well. Next one, we'll click again, image search. And we'll pick, which one? Decisions, let's pick that one. And add. And we'll put some text in there. And then we'll add one more. Let's do, what should we do for this one? Let's do a Bentley for this one. Add that. So we can have our three images there. Put in the text as well. So this is great for those students. It's a bit more fun for all students, but potentially for neurodiverse students, it's nice to have image as well as text. And we can just add our question in there. Which of these brands is not from the UK? And then when we're ready, we can do our usual thing for sharing it. So we can click responses and we can choose. So I'm going to put anyone with a link, and we can then copy that link. I'll just do a new tab and we'll paste that link in there. So this is what it looks like. The other thing that they've just done, in addition to adding images, you can also, there's more templates available. So you can see we've got a number of different templates available. And in addition to that, if we go back to this one, we can also change the theme. So they've got some new themes, which are really quite cool now. It's got a whole load of new themes, and some, as you can see, have videos behind, which makes it slightly nice to look at. So we'll just refresh this one and you'll see what that looks like in practice. So a bit more interesting to look at. So there you have it, a great way to add images for your multi-choice questions on Microsoft Forms. I hope you found the video useful. If you want to watch more videos on Microsoft Forms, click on the banner on the top right hand corner or the link in the description below, and you can watch my whole playlist on using Microsoft Forms. Hope you found the video useful. If you did, remember to subscribe to my channel and join me again soon for more EdTech videos. Thanks for watching.